Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by meeting essential prerequisites, a verified Google account and two-step verification. Next, pick the exam you'll take first and why it matters to your work. Once chosen, set a realistic study block, plan 8 to 12 focused hours and lock an exam date within 2 weeks to create urgency. Make sure to gather study guides and the official learning path. That prepares you for the types of questions and the required depth. Start now. Momentum matters. You now dive into the complex middle work. Follow Skillshop modules top to bottom and take each practice quiz until you score consistent results. Focus on the how and why of bidding, targeting, campaign structure, and measurement. These are frequently tested. Once comfortable, run timed practice exams to build speed and identify weak areas, then review errors deliberately. Make sure to interleave study and testing. Repeated retrieval beats rereading. You're at the finish line. Prioritize a high-yield review of policies, common formulas, and recent interface changes, because exam wording mirrors them. Take one final timed mock 24 hours before the test to acclimate to pressure. On exam day, arrive early, use a reliable connection, and stay calm. Answer confidently and flag uncertain items for review. If technical issues occur, browser errors, login problems, clear cache, switch browsers, or contact Google support quickly. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.